Good day, everybody. I thought we're gonna talk a little bit quickly, very quickly, sorry about that, about the 934 RSR Revell racing car series. They obviously have the Jägermeister, which we had a look at. I will link to the review. What's in the box? I'll link that in the commentaries over there, down there in the description. Actually, we have the Valiant and we have the Martini. Now I have all three of those. As you might suggest, I'm a bit of a fan. I really like these. I've built one of them. Here we go. See a bottle of mine for a change. Why not? Here we go. I've built the Jägermeister one. And I tell you what, it was an awesome build. I really enjoyed that. It was great. Engine is very nice. I dollied that up a little bit. Probably can't see. We have a light here. No, we don't have a light here. Let's move. Here we go. The engine, dollied the engine up a little bit. Had lots of fun. I really did have lots of fun. Here's the front part. So this was such a lovely build. I really enjoyed that. And I have built the Tamiya Valiant Porsche before, and I must say this is in no ways does it need to be hide itself from the Tamiya one. It is really a great kit. I'm not even sure where it's from. I'll tell you in my review, in the Jägermeister review, just have a look. But they are wonderful kits, and I'm happy that I now managed to get hold of the entire series. Well, the differences are obviously the instructions. You know different photos on the instructions, and if you look at the back, obviously your decal call out will be quite different, as you might expect. Here we go. Here we have the Martini. That one I'm actually gonna do a buddy build with a good friend Paul of me. We'll have a go at the Martini Porsche together. Looking forward to that. Right, but otherwise, man, if I look at the instructions, this look all very similar to my Jägermeister instructions. Here we go. See that, see that, see that. What is different, sir? Oh yeah, that's the Martini. Here we go. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, there is some green. Here we go. You see some very nice colors over here. So they certainly, made an effort to kind of differentiate it. And I remember it was all very orange here in the Jägermeister instructions. What obviously is also different are the decals. And the Jägermeister decals went on very nicely. I didn't have any problems with them whatsoever. Here we have the Martini decals from the very same supplier where Revell gets them from. And it looks very nice indeed. I'm looking forward putting those on. Gonna be a blast. Yeah, that's it. Probably the next one I'm gonna build of those soon as Paul is ready to have a go. And then we have the Valiant decals, which also look very pretty. And again, with the dashboard decals and everything. So yeah, that's basically the difference. The difference is the instruction manual and the decals. The rest is exactly the same. But I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a 934 RSR, can't get hold of the Tamiya one because it's so expensive or it's just not available, I tell you what, this Revell one doesn't have to stand back against the Tamiya. It's a lovely kit, very detailed, goes together very well, instructions very good. Yeah, we always have a lot to say about Revell, and but this is certainly one of their prime kits, and I can only recommend it for sure. This is a great kit, and no, Revell doesn't pay me for that, but you can certainly buy that one without any qualms, and you will have lots of fun building it. Here we go. That is my 934 RSR little video just telling you about the 3 Revell kits, why I have the lot of them, what the differences are, and if I would recommend them, and I would highly recommend them. Go for it. They are great kits. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and greetings from Cape Town. Cheers.